Have you ever thought that just a gentle touch on the pool wall could change the way you breathe, move, and believe in your own body? Hello, my dear friends. Today, we'll talk about something that seems small, yet truly magical: the open turn and two-hand touch technique in breaststroke and butterfly, combined with breathing, the soul of movement in water. For those over 60, this isn't just a swimming technique. It's an art of living slowly, breathing deeply, and feeling every motion of your body within the water. If you've been swimming for years and want to go deeper, or if you're just beginning and wish to feel more confident in the pool, stay with me until the end of this video. And before we start, leave a number 1 in the comments if you're ready to join me on this beautiful journey. When we reach our 60s, our body starts to speak to us differently. Muscles don't respond as quickly, our breath shortens, and every time we enter the water, we're not just swimming. We're having a quiet conversation with ourselves. The open turn in breaststroke and butterfly is how we reconnect with our body's rhythm. Understanding that slow and steady isn't just a saying, but a practice. In these strokes, touching the wall with both hands is required, not only by rule, but for safety and balance. When both hands touch together, the shoulders stay aligned, the impact spreads evenly, and the body stays centered. This helps older swimmers avoid shoulder strain or imbalance after each lap. Before we begin, remember 3 things. Stay natural. Don't tense up. The softer your body, the more the water supports you. Keep your breathing steady. Your breath is the conductor of every movement. And above all, stay calm and patient. No one masters the open turn in a day. But each time you try, you grow younger inside. American sports experts once said, "For people over 60, swimming isn't a competition. It's therapy for the heart, lungs, and mind." Keep that in mind as we move to the next technique, the two-hand touch technique. Imagine yourself swimming toward the wall. Many beginners tend to stretch too far forward to touch it, but that's one of the most common mistakes. What matters most is maintaining your stroke rhythm until the very end, then letting both hands touch the wall simultaneously, at shoulder level or slightly below. In breaststroke, the touch should be light, yet decisive. Both hands hit at once. The body stays balanced, and the head remains steady. In butterfly, it's a little more graceful. The hands open wider than the shoulders, palms facing the wall, eyes looking straight ahead, helping your brain stay oriented and calm. When I teach older swimmers, I always say, don't fight the wall, talk to it. The wall isn't an obstacle, it's a place to return to. Every proper touch teaches your body rhythm and balance, turning the next movement into something effortless, like a breeze through water. A study from Harvard's Institute of Aging found that older adults who maintain symmetrical movement reduce their risk of falls and imbalance by up to 40%. So this two-hand touch isn't just a small detail, it's a powerful exercise for the whole body. The open turn with breathing. If you've ever thought the open turn was only for athletes, today I invite you to see it differently, as a lesson in rhythm, breath, and release. At 60 or 70, we don't need speed anymore. What we need is harmony between body and water. As you approach the wall, keep your breathing calm and steady. When both hands touch the wall, that's the perfect moment to listen to your heartbeat. Then let your dominant hand leave the wall first. Drop your head gently, and let your shoulders and hips turn naturally. No twisting, no strain. Let your body flow with the water, not against it. The water always knows how to carry you if you trust it. Bend your knees, place your feet lightly on the wall at about a 45-degree angle, like a spring. Then push off, arms straight, head between your arms, eyes looking down at the pool floor. You don't need force, just smooth, calm, continuous motion. And now, the most important part, breathing. Breath is the bridge between body and mind. Before you touch the wall, exhale gently. Empty your lungs. Calm your heart. As you touch, inhale quickly through your mouth, drawing in new energy. When you push and glide, Hold your breath lightly, then exhale slowly as you move, as if you're blowing away all fatigue, all worries, all traces of age. Water is the most honest mirror. If you breathe too fast, it ripples in chaos. If you breathe steadily, it stays still. And when the water is calm, so is your mind. A study from Mayo Clinic reported that adults over 60 who practice controlled breathing in water can improve lung capacity and reduce physiological stress by up to 20% in just 4 weeks. So take your time. Let every exhale be an act of release. After each push from the wall, there are a few seconds of beautiful stillness. Not just rest, but a moment of unity with the water. No sound, no pressure, just breath and life. Because when we learn to breathe right, we learn to live slowly, to turn gently through life's changes, and to keep swimming, no matter which way the current flows. Thank you, my dear friends, for staying with me until the end of this video. I truly believe that every time we step into the pool with a smile, every touch on the wall, every breath we take, becomes a therapy for body and soul. If you feel inspired, leave a comment saying "okay" below, so I know this journey has one more beautiful companion. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more gentle, safe, and mindful techniques that help us live stronger, happier, and deeper every single day.